guys, it's Joe. Welcome back to another video. We are back in my kitchen. It is last meal of the day. Last meal of the day is always something special. I had it on my previous video of my 2200 calorie day, full day of eating, and today we are making protein pizza. This by far is my most requested recipe. Whenever I post this on my Instagram story, there's always somebody saying drop the recipe. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now for this recipe, you're only going to need 5 things. We're going to need fat-free cheese, turkey pepperoni, low-calorie pizza sauce, some sort of flatbread tortilla of your choice, and a you call this thing. You need a metal sheet. We're gonna go with that. Metal. You need some sort of thing you can put in the oven where it sits on top of. Okay, so step 1 is to actually preheat the oven. We have it at 350 degrees. As soon as that goes off, we're going to throw our bread in there. You don't want to put any toppings on there. We want this crust to get nice and crispy. Okay, so once the oven's preheated, we're gonna go ahead and take our metal sheet, put some foil on it, go ahead and hit that with some Pam spray. And then what you want to do is to take your flatbread and go ahead and throw that bad boy on there. And before you go ahead and start putting all your toppings on the pizza, I do like to preheat this at 350 between 3 and 5 minutes just to get this base a little bit crispy. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And now we wait. Okay, so time is up. All right, so your next step is just to start laying your toppings on there. We're gonna start with our low-calorie pizza sauce. This guy is 25 calories per serving, so I'm gonna add 2 servings or 126 grams of this pizza sauce. All right, 2 servings of pizza sauce. Go ahead and spread that around. All right, so step 2, I'm gonna put the cheese on. This is 2 servings of fat-free cheese or 56 grams. I already have it pre-weighed out, so all I have to do is just throw that on the pizza. And the last but not least is 1 serving or 30 grams of turkey pepperoni. Alrighty, and it's that easy. Once you have it all decorated, we're going to throw that guy back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Alright, so time is up. Last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and hit this pizza with a little bit of garlic powder. But you're more than welcome to season it however the heck you want to. So, total calorie and macro breakdown for this pizza. This whole thing is going to be 330 calories, 41 grams of protein, 28 grams of carbs, 6 grams of fiber, and 9 grams of lard, or fat. Now that's 330 calories for this entire thing. Usually that's like maybe 1 slice of a regular pizza, but instead you need to have a whole flatbread's worth. You're gonna feel a lot more full, have a lot more protein, and a lot lower calorie at the end of the day. And I just kept this super simple. A little bit of seasoning, just those 4 ingredients, but you're more than welcome to throw the on this. Sometimes I'll throw spinach, tomato, bell peppers, mushroom, onions, chicken, beef. Just don't be one of those pineapple. I once had an ex-girlfriend like pineapple on her pizza. Let's just say she's an ex for a reason. Anyways, that's gonna be the video for today, guys. Give this recipe a shot. Follow me on Instagram. Tag me if you make it. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new. It's been your boy Joe. Peace.